All right, prime time. Here's the video to find the winner for Zach's Jordan Pick One, either the 2/16/20s or the jersey. We'll check the time here. March 10th ad. We'll let this roll over here to 5:46. So March 10th at 5:46 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we've got March 10th at 5:46 p.m. Here's the list of our 100 entrants. We'll scroll through the names real quick so you guys can see everybody. There we go. We're just going to randomize this list, and then whoever's at the top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final good luck. It is Tyler Warner, and spot number 2 is your winner. So, Tyler, please get with Zach to make your selection. There's our verification code, our timestamp, once again, March 10th at 5:46 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.